Hello friends, welcome to my ZKRM Logic Mixdown tutorial. Thank you for listening and watching, of course. Today I want to show you, per request from a YouTube user, he asked me to do that, so I want to show you how to mix down your track. I have a sample here of one of my track, not the one, and of course if it's your song, it will maybe look like that. If you have done it in the same way like me, with all the drum and drum wave files included here, which you also can do, of course, with MIDI here. Yeah. All right. I want to tell you some upfront, and I want to tell you some important things. It's good, always good, to set up a mixer. What I have done. So my track 1 to 20, for example, here is everything is audio. What you can see here, it is under PC. Okay, all these are audio tracks. So I like to set up a new mixer. I just go to any audio track and go to function and then track, create track, and on the left hand side you can see PC track 21. Change it with left mouse to audio output stereo. Okay, and then you have your mixer. You can rename this, of course. Okay, so I will get rid of this again. Okay, now the thing is that you also have to check your audio settings. Go to audio, to hardware driver, and go to the first tab, audio driver. Check that the tick box is ticked PC AV and select direct sound, not MME. Okay, and then go to audio driver 2 and check that the tick box for ASIO is ticked, and in the internet you can download ASIO for all for free, which is really good because you can set it up, you can adjust everything what you want, but the standard settings are quite okay. All right, now I want to show you how to mix. Just click on the left. So I'm doing the drums now, bass drum, snare and hi-hat, and here I have my guitar, and here I have the MIDI bass. Okay, whenever you click on the left hand side onto the track, the mixer will start automatically, and this is marked in white. You can see, I've chosen that. Here you can select all your VSTI instruments. Okay, above output. Here, these are the Logic effects. Just in case you like to add something. There's also VSTI, but better choose this one above output. And here, this region, these two, you can select for your effects, like delay, whatever. You have all the different, like phaser, or delay, compressor, whatever you like, reverb, and so on. And this part here for all the VSTIs. Okay, now I show you how it sounds. I will I will drag down the volume here at the bass and let play only the drums, which you can adjust. Double click on the left on bass drums. You can see here's the bass. It is always good to start with a mix with drums and bass first, okay, and later on the different instruments, and later on the vocals. Okay, now I'll bring in the bass, which is not there for whatever reason. Okay, now I drag up the fader. You can hear it now. And I go to my guitar now. Okay. Actually, that's it. Okay, actually that's it already. Okay, one thing I want to tell you. Okay, as I mentioned, the upper part. For example, when you open a new file, you can see that, I don't know what's going on with my Logic at the moment. Something messed up, I don't know. Anyway, you have the track 1, 2, I don't know what you set up. The upper part is for audio tracks, which you can see that PC is set up. And then from the mixer, it's starting with ASIO. All these are your VSTI instruments, or MIDI tracks actually. And below you have the cheap sounding factory sounds, which I never use except I play something in with the piano, and then I drag the region up to my instrument tracks. Okay, so I will continue with the part 2 then, because the longer it takes so long to convert the video, and I will start now with the part 2. Yeah, one moment please.